How to see your FPL ID. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open any of your preferred browser as you cannot do this process in the Fantasy Premier League app. So in your search bar, you can search for fantasy.premierleague.com and you will be led to the official webpage of Fantasy Premier League. Here, make sure that you are signed in, and if not, then sign yourself in. And further, tap on the pick team option you see there from the dashboard there. Now, scroll down and you will see the option for game week history under your team name. So, tap on the game week history option you see there, and now in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the search bar on top of your screen, and here this particular highlighted portion is your FPL ID. So this was about how you can see your FPL ID. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.